Good morning, dear children. A very warm good morning to each and every one of you. After a very long session of time, we are going to discuss our online classes. So, children, before starting the new session, the new volume book, I would like you all to say that please purchase, and if you have purchased already, that's fine. And those who have not purchased your book already, please purchase your volume second book, because now we will start everything from volume second only. Is that clear, beta? There are some topics that has been deleted from your syllabus, taking in mind due to the corona, but still then the topics that are very important for you, that will be continued by us. So beta, today we'll learn chapter 7, and that is a miraculous escape. I think yesterday I didn't send a video, but I sent a small note on the miraculous escape, saying that about a tsunami, and after that I have mentioned about natural disasters, and many more things. Yesterday I have told you. Even I have told you about a family. If you remember, I have told you about a family in which the husband's wife is seeing her husband, and her husband is playing with his 3 children, and the name were Simon and Simon, Lucas and Thomas. They were the 3 children. I have discussed these things. This is a small recap of yesterday's teaching. So today, children, will learn about the further story. So children, what happens? Maria thought she was the luckiest woman in the world to have a happy family. Now beta, this Maria, M-A-R-I-A, this Maria, she is thinking that she is the luckiest woman in the world because she has a great family. Moreover, Thailand was lovely with its sparkling sea and friendly people. And now she gives a brief description about the place where she is residing. जो जहां रहती है वो कहां रहती थी? थाईलैंड में रहती थी, और वो यहाँ पे थाईलैंड के बारे में बता रही है कि थाईलैंड was lovely with its sparkling sea and friendly people. She was glad that they had come to Thailand. This was going to be a dream holiday. और उसे बहुत ही खुशी थी कि वो थाईलैंड पे आई है अपने ड्रीम हॉलिडे को मनाने. But fate had other plans. Within minutes, the dream turned into a nightmare. But here, nightmare, an experience that is very frightening or unpleasant bad dream. Nightmare means beta bad dream, खराब सपने. Beta, all of a sudden there was a loud and horrible sound. All of a sudden there was a loud and horrible sound. It felt as if the earth was being torn apart. जैसे लग रहा है कि धरती को कोई तोड़ रहा है. No one knew what it was because they had never heard such a thunderous roar before. और बेटा वहां पे जो भी लोग थे उनको ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. क्यों? क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसा शोर कभी सुना नहीं था. To the eye, everything looked perfect. The blue sea, the warm sunshine, and the cloudless sky. और हर एक वहां पे जो आंखें थी, उन आंखों को हर चीज एवरीथिंग लुक्ड परफेक्ट, सब चीज अच्छा दिख रहा था, जैसे कि नीले समुद्र, गर्म सूरज और साफ बादल. Soon everyone realized the harsh reality. और जल्द ही लोग उस हकीकत के बारे में जाने, और वो हकीकत क्या थी? A tsunami had struck. बेटा, सुनामी had struck. बेटा, let me tell you about this tsunami. What is tsunami? बेटा, tsunami कब occur होता है? When does tsunami occur? When the ocean beds shake. जब समुद्र के तट नीचे भूकंप आता है, वही पानी उठता है और धरती पे प्रहार करता है, उसी को हम सुनामी. A ferocious 30-foot wall of water crashed on the shore, devouring everything in its path. It spared no one. People, trees, cars, beach, houses, all were swept up. सारा का सारा चीज बह गया. The tsunami was so fast when it came out of the sea that no one could outrun it. The first wave of the tsunami was not so strong, but successive waves became bigger and stronger. It seemed to be a merciless attack of water. Only water could be seen all around. Many people tried to swim, but it was in vain. The force of the water simply did not allow it. बेटा, अब इस पैराग्राफ में ये सामने जानने को मिल रहा है कि चारों ओर पानी हो गया था. चारों क्या हो गया था? पानी हो गया था. और पानी की वजह से सारे चीज बहने शुरू हो गए. ठीक है? मारिया वॉज बैडली वुंडेड. ना बेटा, मारिया जो थी वो बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से वुंडेड थी, मतलब उनको जख्म हो गया. As she was dragged into the seething waters, she almost drowned as she got submerged in the water. वो डूबने ही वाली थी कि वो जब पानी में गई, but she fought back and surfaced. वो लड़ी and पानी के ऊपर आ गई. To her joy, as she looked around, she saw Lucas a few meters away. और अचानक ही उन्होंने अपने बेटे को देखा, लूकस जो नाम रहता है, कुछ दूरी पे. With strength fueled by hope, she swam towards him. और वो उसके ओर तैर के गई. Holding him close, she made her way to a tree. और वो उसके साथ एक पेड़ के पास पहुंची. To which they clung for dear life. जिसको उन्होंने पकड़ लिया अपने अच्छे जिंदगी के लिए. Luckily they were rescued by a Thai man who took them to a hospital. और luckily, सौभाग्यपूर्ण, luckily, किस्मती से वो लोग एक थाई मैन जो थाई का आदमी होता है, वहाँ के थाई मैन कहते हैं, who took them to a hospital. उन्होंने उसको देखा और ठीक है बेटा. ओके, फॉर टुडे ओनली दिस मच. प्लीज लर्न योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड प्लीज सी द वर्ड मीनिंग्स दैट इज रिटन ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द चैप्टर्स. एंड प्लीज इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, राइट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. और इफ यू आर एनी क्वेरीज, वी विल बी मीटिंग ऑन द Zoom मीटिंग. टिल देन हैव ए नाइस डे. जय हिंद, जय भारत.